Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Hyundai i30 2014, which actually belonging to the generation 2012 and 2016. So the car came with the standard radio, and at this moment we already upgrade to the new full package 7-inch touchscreen with the wireless Apple CarPlay and USB Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto. On the screen you are seeing the wireless Android Auto connect to our Samsung phones, and we are recording the video at the same time. And we fit in the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera at the very nice center place at the back tailgate. The bumper, and the camera was right here on the top of the number plate, so it stayed right here like this, and the camera will have to see very clear and detailed. So just have a look when we actually reverse it, show up the camera, and you can see how clear it is actually. Now have a look here. We have two USB ports that will fit very nice into the car, and they're here inside this section, and right here, okay, you will find two USB over here, which I can plug in the USB cable as well. Yep. The system has all the steering wheel here connected to the new head unit, and we get the volume changing jack and the mute. Those buttons we keep, and this mode we actually connect to the phone answer. So at this moment this car can have to answer the phone from this button, so the mode button here. So anytime the call coming here, we can press the mode button to answer, which is much better for driving, safer for driving. And all other functions the same, but the mode button now can answer the phone. Yep, that's the one. And yeah, he definitely like the car looks very nice and modern with the new system. So thanks again for watching, and we are looking to see you on the next one.